Do you know your number one year-end fundraising strategy? Are you feeling a little frantic as you look at your fundraising goals and budget? If so, you are not alone. I remember when on the front lines of fundraising, I never felt I was ahead of the curve when year end was approaching. I always felt I needed to be doing something else, that what I was doing was not enough. Well, maybe you're riding high with your fundraising plans right now. Then again, maybe you know there is more you could be doing before year end hits. Hi there, Nancy Reeves here, your fundraising coach. If you follow me, you know one of my number one fundraising strategies is to keep the donors you have. It reminds me of the saying, only floss the teeth you want to keep. Well, certainly, you want to keep all of your donors. You don't want to lose them. You don't want to start over each year finding new donors. That would be exhausting, much less irresponsible. Here's the thing. This is the season for giving thanks, and donors want to hear from you. They want and need to hear from you in a personal way, and not to hear you ask them for money. So what fundraising strategy should you be implementing right now, this week? Here it is. First of all, make a list of your top donors. Maybe it's just 10 people. Then work the list. You're going to pick up the phone and contact each person on your list, starting with those individuals who have not given or given at capacity this year. Your message goes something like this. Hi Joe, Nancy here. How are you? How's your father? Are you able to get together with your family this year for Thanksgiving? I have been thinking of you and your family. Pause when needed and allow a conversation to unfold. Then carry on. As Thanksgiving approaches, I just wanted to call and say how thankful we are for you and Mary. You have been such a loyal and enthusiastic supporter of our X program. We couldn't do what we do without your support. You have helped, and then share the transformation that takes place at your organization. No doubt, donors want to hear from you, and maybe they bring up their past giving and let you know funds are on the way. Say thank you. Bottom line, pick up the phone and call top donors. Enjoy a focused and meaningful conversation with them. These are your friends, so make it feel that way. Your friends want to feel valued and appreciated. That's up to you to make them feel that way. Let them know how thankful you are for them. You're not checking off boxes. You're engaging in a conversation with a friend. So ask, how are you making your friends feel valued and appreciated as the holiday season approaches? If you want more tips and strategies, be sure to sign up and grab my free fundraising plan. Go to fundraisingmaximize.com/yes or click the link here.